If you've ever wanted to connect your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare, this tutorial is going to walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your domain to Cloudflare, update your name servers in GoDaddy, and wait for everything to activate properly. This is a great setup if you want better performance, extra security, and easier DNS management for your website. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Cloudflare. Once you're on the homepage, create an account or sign in if you already have one. After you log in, look for the option to add a website. Click Add and then choose Connect a Domain. This is where Cloudflare begins the setup process for your domain. Now you'll need to enter the domain name you bought from GoDaddy. Type it in carefully and make sure you enter only the domain itself without any extra prefixes unless Cloudflare specifically asks for them. Once the domain is entered, continue to the next step. Cloudflare will now ask you to select a plan. For most users, the free plan is more than enough to get started. If you're just setting up basic protection and DNS management, the free option works well, so go ahead and choose that. After that, Cloudflare will scan your DNS records. This is an important step because it tries to detect the records already connected to your domain, like your website, email, or other services. Give it a moment to finish scanning. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records carefully. Make sure everything looks correct before moving on. If you see the right records, click Continue. Cloudflare will then show you two name servers. These name servers are very important because you'll need to replace the ones currently set in GoDaddy with the Cloudflare name servers. Now open in a new tab and sign in to your GoDaddy account. After logging in, go to your domain section and click DNS for the domain you're connecting. Inside the DNS settings, look for the name servers area. This is where your current domain name servers are being managed. Click Change Name Servers. When the options appear, select Enter My Own Name Servers. This tells GoDaddy that you want to use custom name servers instead of the default ones. Now copy the two name servers that Cloudflare gave you and paste them into the correct fields in GoDaddy. Take your time here and make sure both name servers are entered exactly as Cloudflare provided them. A small typo can cause the setup to fail or delay activation. Once both name servers are in place, save the changes. After that, go back to Cloudflare. On the setup screen, click I updated my name servers. Cloudflare will now begin checking whether your domain is pointing to its servers correctly. At this point, all you need to do is wait. DNS propagation can take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't activate instantly. In many cases, it can work fairly quickly, but sometimes it may take a little longer depending on your domain settings and internet propagation. Once Cloudflare detects the new name servers, your domain will be active on Cloudflare, and you'll be able to manage DNS, security, and performance settings from one place. That's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to Cloudflare. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides. And if you want, I can also help you with the next step, like setting up SSL, DNS records, or WordPress after connecting Cloudflare.